Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a popular option for anyone seeking a capable desktop without breaking the bank, a renewed Dell OptiPlex tower. This particular configuration comes packed with some interesting components that make it stand out as a budget-friendly workhorse and even a light gaming machine. At its heart, this system is powered by an Intel Core i5 6500 processor running at 3.2 GHz. This is a solid quad-core CPU from Intel's 6th generation, known for providing reliable and consistent performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and general productivity. It's a processor that still holds up well for most non-intensive applications. Handling the memory and storage. The PC is equipped with 8 GB of RAM, which is ample for running multiple applications simultaneously, browsing with many tabs open, and handling typical office software. For storage, it features a 256 GB M.2 solid-state drive. The M.2 form factor combined with SSD technology means you can expect very fast boot times, quick application loading, and snappy overall system responsiveness compared to traditional hard drives. While 256 GB isn't massive, it's perfect for the operating system and your most frequently used programs and a few games. Now, what really elevates this OptiPlex from a standard office machine is the inclusion of a dedicated NVIDIA GT 1030 graphics card with 2 GB of DDR5 memory. This isn't a high-end gaming card, but it's a significant upgrade over integrated graphics. The GT 1030 is specifically mentioned as being capable of running popular esports titles like Minecraft, Fortnite, and Rocket League. This means if you're looking for a system for casual gaming or getting into PC gaming on a budget, this card provides that capability, allowing you to hop into those games at reasonable settings and frame rates. It offers both HDMI and DVD outputs for display connectivity. Connectivity-wise, the tower is well equipped. It features a total of 8 USB ports, 4 faster USB 3.0 ports, and 4 USB 2.0 ports, providing plenty of options for connecting peripherals. It also includes DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, an RJ45 Ethernet port for wired networking, and front panel headphone access. For wireless connectivity, the system comes with a USB Wi-Fi adapter and Bluetooth, which is convenient for modern setups. Included with the PC are essential peripherals to get you started right away: a wired keyboard and mouse. This means you just need to connect a monitor and you're good to go. The operating system is a brand new installation of the latest Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. It's highlighted as being free of the bloatware often pre-installed by manufacturers, offering a clean and optimized user experience right out of the box. Windows 10 Pro also includes features beneficial for business or more advanced users. Considering this is a renewed system, it offers a compelling package for the price. You're getting a reliable Dell chassis, a capable Intel i5 processor, fast SSD storage, sufficient RAM, and the added bonus of a dedicated graphics card that opens the door to light gaming. It's a solid option for students, home office use, media consumption, and those looking for an affordable entry point into PC gaming with popular esports titles. The combination of components provides a balanced system that handles everyday tasks with ease and offers that extra graphical punch when needed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.